Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a custom lace frontal wig. I'm making it from start to finish. I was sent 3 bundles and a frontal by LUVME Hair, 18-inch body wave. The hair is soft and it looks full. I'm just gonna bleach the knots on the frontal. I just made a thick paste out of the BW2 and 40 volume peroxide, and I just made it into a thick paste so that I can put it on this frontal and it wouldn't run. I'm sure you've seen this done a million times, so I didn't show the mixing of it, but it was just like a thick paste. Once you're done bleaching the knots on the frontal, you're just going to use a make your own extra large dome cap, wig cap, and then you just put the frontal on with some T-pins. I don't know why I didn't show the T-pins, but you just put it on with some T-pins and just line the sides up. You're gonna leave about a half an inch in front of the cap and just start sewing very close together on the back of the frontal. And also I want to say it's easier if you start sewing in the middle of the frontal and go down and then do the other side exactly the same, so that you won't have any bunching or gapping. It'll all lay flat. Once you're done sewing down that frontal, you just want to braid down the frontal so it's not in your way. So you just do a braid on each side of the head just to keep everything out of your way. Once you're done braiding the frontal down, it should look something like this. Here I'm just gonna take the bundle, and I'm not gonna double them. I'm gonna do single wefts because I don't want it to be bulky. You can double it if you want to, but I chose not to on this one. And I had 3 bundles and a frontal, but I only used the frontal in 2 bundles because I singled the tracks. Okay, once you've done the bottom first 2 tracks, you just want to continue to sew from side to side, doing it in like a C shape almost, or like a wide U shape, just going side to side and laying the tracks as close as possible together, and still using your clip to like hold the hair in place so you won't have to hold while you sew the hair. And I'm just alternating from doing a regular loop around the track and a slip knot. I'm just alternating. I may do 2 or 3 loops and then do a slip knot. So just to secure the hair, make sure that nothing comes loose if a thread happens to break or something. So you can do it with the slip knot all the way through, or you can just do it just looping it around. It's totally up to you. Okay, I'm all done sewing the wig. If you're sewing your own wig, it should look something like this. It doesn't have to be perfect or exact, but it should look something like this. Here I'm putting just some bleach on this hair. I'm not a colorist. I'm just coloring this wig because my aunt is who I'm gonna install the hair on, and she wears blonde hair, so I'm not a hair colorist. I am a professional hairstylist, but coloring is not my specialty. So if you see me doing something wrong, then please forgive me because I'm not a colorist. Okay guys, so this is the ball cap method. I did not go into detail about this because you've probably seen it on YouTube a million times. So anyway, I just used the Got To Be glue freeze spray, and I sprayed it down after I braided her first and sprayed her down around the edges, and now I'm just cutting the excess off. Y'all, this is my aunt that I was telling y'all about. She is so crazy. She gave me the hardest time. Didn't want to put on no makeup, didn't want to cooperate. Okay guys, this is her finished look. The hair was provided to me by LUVME Hair, so look in the description box below for the links. If you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching.